Hello and welcome. I'm Beatrice, and today's class is a gentle wake up yoga class that you can do as soon as you wake up in the morning or even in the middle of the day for your break. So you don't need any props for this class. However, if you like to sit up on a block or a blanket, you're welcome to grab them. And when you're ready, come and practice with me. Starting this class from seated, any comfortable seated position, relax your arms down, palms up or down, and either look down in front of you or close off the eyes. Begin to soften the shoulders, soften the face. Bring your awareness to the body. Perhaps you notice any tension left from the night. And notice if you can let go of them. Setting ourselves up for the day ahead. Begin to notice your soft and subtle breath. Simply take it into awareness, you don't have to change it. And perhaps before we start our movement practice, set an intention for the day ahead. And when you're ready, bow your chin down towards your chest. Notice how the back of your neck feels. And take your right ear over your right shoulder. Notice that left side of your neck. Come back through center, chin to chest. And then take your left ear over your left shoulder. Notice that right side. And if it feels good, continue this movement side to side for a couple more times. And if you'd like to, you're welcome to circle all the way around. Just be mindful not to drop the head back. If you're circling all the way around in one direction, switch direction. Bring your head to center and take your hands on your knees. And when you're ready, begin to take your upper body out to the right, forward as you arch the spine, and around to the left and back as you round. So taking however big or small circle as you like this morning, take it slow or a little bit faster, just follow the breath. And continue in this direction one more time. The next time you come to round, reverse. So come out to the left, forward, and around from the right into your rounding. And begin to notice your hips and your back. Maybe a little bit of cracking. And then come back through center, lift your head and make your way up to your hands and knees. Now, as you come to hands and knees today, taking a little bit of a modified cat and cow and then adding on to that as well. So come here and keep your hips in line with your knees and just walk your hands out to the right. So noticing how that left side of the body feels today. You can go as far right as you need to. And take a breath in, and as you breathe out, round the back. Breathe in, let the belly drop, and look forward. Breathe out, round the back. Breathe in, belly drops. Open the chest. Breathe out, around. Just one more time on this side. Come back to your neutral spine, walk your way to center, and then make your way to the left, noticing how that right side of your body feels. And then inviting that gentle movement, cat and cow, drop the belly, look forward, round the back, and look towards your thighs. 3 more times on this side. Breathe in, arch the back, breathe out, around. 2 more with your own breath. Last one. Come through to center. And now from here, begin to lengthen that left leg back. And then take it around to the right side and across. And you can stay here, or you can again walk your hands to the right to find a little stretch through the whole left side of your body, through the leg. Press that heel away from you and maybe look over your right shoulder. And remember to press the ground away from you as well, through the fingers as well as the palms. Bring your hands back to center, uncross, take your knee down, and then extend the right leg back and cross it around to the left. And maybe walk your hands to the left. Pressing that right heel away from you, perhaps looking over the left shoulder. And pressing the ground away. Come back through center with your hands, then relax your knee down and take a moment either to sit or to come back to child's pose, any version of child's pose. Bring the palms to face up and relax your head down, just taking a moment to relax the wrists, maybe circling them, or open and close your fingers. Bring the palms back down towards the ground, lift up through hands and knees and take your hands back in line with your shoulders. And from here, take your right leg out to the side, extend it out, then begin to take a bit of rocky movement forwards and backwards. Notice how that right leg feels. Come through to center, and from here keep your left hand to the ground. Inhale, lift your right arm up, and as you exhale, round the back and thread that right arm underneath the left. Breathe in, reach that right arm up, breathe out and thread. One more time here. Breathe in, reach up, breathe out and thread. Adding on. Breathe in, reach the right arm up, stay here, then bring yourself up, reach your arms away from each other. Take a breath in, and as you breathe out, reach your right arm down towards your left thigh, Left arm up and over. Come back through center, reach your arms away from each other. Breath in, and as you breathe out, left hand down, right arm up. Breathe in and breathe out to thread that right arm under the left. One more time. Inhale, reach up. Exhale here. Inhale, reach up and arms away from each other. Exhale, right arm down, left arm up. Inhale through center. Exhale, left arm down, right arm up. And then take your right arm down and invite that right knee back to center. Coming through to the other side. So left leg extends out to the side. And begin by rocking yourself forwards and backwards a few times. Notice how this left leg feels, this left foot. If you can, keep that foot grounded. If it feels uncomfortable or painful, then come to any comfortable position for your left foot. Come through to center. Right hand down, left arm lifts up. As you breathe out, thread that left arm underneath the right. Breathe in, lift up. Breathe out and thread. Breathe in, last one. Breathe out to thread. Breathe in, come through center, and then lift up, reach the arms away from each other. And as you breathe out, left arm down to the right thigh, right arm up and over. Breathe into center. Breathe out, right arm down, left arm up. Breathe in here. And as you breathe out, thread that left arm underneath the right. Breathe in, reach up. Come up through to reach the arms away from each other into your twist, and breathe out, left arm down, right arm up. Breathe into center. Breathe out, right arm down, left arm up. Breathe in here. Breathe out and thread. Last one. Breathe in, reach up. Breathe out here. Breathe in, lift up. Breathe out, left arm down, right arm up. Breathe into center. Breathe out, right arm down, left arm down, and invite that left knee to center. Take a moment here in the middle to take any movement that feels good for you. I'll take some cat and cows. Just notice how your body feels now. Back, shoulders, neck, even your hips, and down the legs. And then bring your big toes together. Take your knees either wide or together, whichever version of child's pose feels good in your body. And take your hips back towards your heels and relax your head down to the ground. And let your shoulders and arms be soft and heavy. And return your attention to the breath. If it feels a little bit quicker than your usual breath, take your time to return to your natural breath. Come up through to hands and knees. And come again to any comfortable seated position, just like we started. Taking a moment to settle, palms up or down. Keep your eyes open, softly gaze down or close them off. And perhaps take a moment here to set an intention for the rest of your day. On your next breath in, reach your arms up high. Take the palms together and draw them down to the center of your chest. And you can finish here, or you can bow down to thank yourself for this time on the mat. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Hope you enjoyed this quick flow. And if you did, please like and subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends and family. Thank you.